Your facts. That was some bullshit.
Team deathmatch. Eliminate all threats. Nice. We're pulling ahead. Come on, you're losing this fight.
I have to figure out which. Is this one? Yeah.
We got the lead. Now hold it. This shit ain't working. We've lost the advantage.
Fucked up. Oh fuck. Window. I lost it. I don't know what them shots were. Don't judge me. That was horrid. Oh, I'm judging myself. The fuck? As what in the fuckery is this bullshit? What's up, bitch? Oh, fuck!
Tossing concussion.
That dude was spraying. Oh. I fucking domed that bitch. God damn, dude. Yep, nope, they're upstairs.
Scrambler, front.
God damn. Don't.
Planting mine.
Resisting mine was disrupted.
Holy fuck. Like, what the fuck?
That is a problem.
That was like set up for failure.
Damn it, we've lost
Good
the lead.
lord.
Lead
Done.
done.
Damn. That was a good fucking step back.
This shit ain't working. We've lost the
Oh,
advantage.
he's laying on his dick in the fucking room. Love that.
Grenade out.
We've taken control. TACOM, I need eyes overhead. lost the lead.